Here is a wonderful 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC. With less than 65,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Introducing the Mercedes-Benz GLC, a premium SUV that seamlessly combines luxury, performance, and versatility. Its sleek, stylish design exudes sophistication, while the spacious and meticulously crafted interior offers unparalleled comfort and cutting-edge technology. With advanced safety features and intuitive infotainment, the GLC provides a driving experience that is both enjoyable and secure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power liftgate, premium sound system, power passenger seat, keyless start, backup camera. The Mercedes-Benz GLC is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle choice of elegance and innovation. Our staff will show you one today.